Tritoon. First thing you're going to do is you're going to start and make a hammer out of your fist. And you're going to take one of the front arms and just knock it back. Bring it up to the frame and clip it in. And then to the other side, right by the throttle. Same thing, make a hammer. And the next step is to pick a side and push the frame up and towards the back. And you can do this by yourself if you need to, but you'll want to bend this first arm back as you start to fold. And then as you get to this third rail, you can push that back as you unfold everything, and it might stay up like that, totally normal. You'll walk back, and just careful with your fingers, you will lift this third rail up here so that it can all hold down nice and neat. Then, depending on which side is your strong side, start with your weaker side. Same thing, you're going to make a hammer with your fist, and now you're going to punch these clips at the back with these longer arms towards the front of the boat. And again, you can do this by yourself. Here's one. I'm going to clip that up, and then I'm just going to put this shorter arm down just so I can catch on it. Then I'll go back. This is my strong side. I'm right-handed, so I will unfold this clip, and I'm going to make a hammer fist with my other hand. Knock that to the front, supporting the frame with my strong side, and then I slowly lower it until the clip is in place on the rail, and then you smash it forward so that it stays.